So I just got my hand stick mixer that you see right here. I actually got this because I was researching tomato sauce recipes using heirloom tomatoes, which I have boiling in here. The recipe that really appealed to me, you could leave the skins on. All you had to do was de-seed it, and then you use this hand mixer to blend it all up and then let it simmer down. So I just wanted to show how it worked. Cuisinart, it's a very reputable brand, has two modes, high and low. Let's see, blade here, it's really good. So I just wanted to show you kind of press it, keep it held down. Bear with me because I'm just using one hand here. But as the YouTube showed, this makes it super easy to mix up these tomatoes for sauce. I'm super impressed with it. It just works very easily to blend everything up. Really easy to clean too. Tons of power. Really easy to hold in the hands. Yeah, I'm super happy with this. Give a little more blend, and you can see how nice and mixed it is. Let's show the high mode. Woo. There we go. A little bit more pressure. Blends it so nice and smooth. So anybody who makes sauce, this is a great method. You can leave all the skins on so that you don't have to blanch your tomatoes. Saves you a lot of work. Super happy with this. Look at that. A couple hours, we'll have some great sauce.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Smart Stick handheld corded blender. It's really nice and streamlined. It's simple and easy to use. You'll notice that it has a really nice stainless steel shaft and chopping mechanism on the bottom. The shaft is completely removable, so when you're done using it, just press this little button in the back, pop it off. This can go right in the sink for washing or into the dishwasher. Has two speeds, low and high. Press it just by pressing this nice soft button on the top for low and on the bottom for high. It's 200 watts of power, and it's very versatile. One of the things that you can do is you can make lots of items. You can use this beaker and you can make a vinaigrette, you can make a smoothie, you can make pancake batter, you can make an omelet mix, you can chop up your herbs, blend up your eggs right in the beaker, and then cook them. The other thing that it can be used for is for making potatoes, believe it or not. These I happen to cook in the microwave a little bit earlier. They're still warm to the warm temperature. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my ingredients. The first item is butter. Of course, you need butter for mashed potatoes. Just put that in like that. Need some salt. That's next. Today we're going to be seasoning them with some fresh rosemary. And lastly, the last item is a white pepper. You can use black if you prefer, but some people like to use white pepper because it won't discolor your mashed potatoes when you're all done. And then in the beaker, I pre-measured out some cream. First, what I'm going to do is start chopping my potatoes. To get them started. Now what I'm going to do, after I chop them up a little bit, is add the cream. I'm just going to add a little at a time because we may not need all of this cream. You know, one thing about mashed potatoes is we don't want to overmix them because then they will get a little, gluey. So this is a really quick and easy way to mix them up for mashed potatoes. what I'm going to do is remove this. Just, whoops, I'm just going to put it in the beaker so it just doesn't get the countertop dirty. And I just want to show you those mashed potatoes. Just mix them up a little bit. They're beautifully incorporated. They still have a little bit of texture to them. They smell really good because we added the rosemary and the white pepper and the salt and the butter, so they're going to taste really great. Think about lots of ways you can use your handheld blender. And there you have it, the Smart Stick Handheld Blender by Cuisinart.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.